Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. This episode goes all the way back to episode 383, where I showed how to set up dependent validation. So someone's chosen Ohio, and they have a list of Ohio counties, but if they would come up here and choose Texas, then they get a list of Texas counties instead of the Ohio counties. So kind of a cool trick. And someone had used that trick, and they said, okay, well, that's cool, but now I need to do a lookup. I need to go look up both the state and the county. And I'm going to do this two different ways. I'm going to do one method today that requires you to change your data a little bit. And this method is involving something called a concatenated key. So you see here I have state and county and then the value we want to look up. Between that, I'm going to insert a new column. I'm going to call it the key column. And basically, we're going to put a formula in here that takes whatever's in A2 and ampersand and whatever's in B2, and that's going to join together the state and the county to make it unique. Because as you think about all the counties across the United States, I'm very near Summit County in Ohio. I know there's a Summit County in Utah and Colorado and probably other places. And so we need to make sure that that value is unique. And then here, I'm going to do a VLOOKUP, equal VLOOKUP, but I'm not going to go look up one particular value. I'm going to go look up the concatenation of the chosen state and county. So I'm going to go look up that value. My table is going to use column C as the first column of the table. Press F4. I want the second column and then false. And so there's the answer for that particular county. And now if we would change, let me choose a different county here in Texas. You see that it automatically does that. Now to change the state, we're going to temporarily get something that doesn't work. But then when I choose a valid county from Ohio, it goes and grabs the correct value. So method one, today we're using a concatenated key. That's where we take the value from A and the value from B and join it together and then have to look up the concatenation of the state and county. Tomorrow we'll take a look at how to solve this using the offset function. So stop back. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.